Hi FreeBody family. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 excellent ways to safely stretch your quads so you don't increase knee pain or cause any more trouble in your knees. Coming up next. All right, I'm going to show you these 2 stretches. The first one came out of people saying, well, I just had knee surgery and I can't bend my knee more than 90 degrees. Or when I pull on my leg to try to get my knee really stretched or those quads really stretched, it hurts my knee. So I'm going to show you how to do that well without hurting your knee. You're going to need a chair and one that your foot can be off on the edge. So especially if you've just had surgery and you're just in that place where you're starting your PT and doing stuff, you want to start to get that knee first on the chair itself and then slide yourself forward, shift that foot around so your foot is hanging off the back edge. If you need another chair nearby for support, please take care of yourself and make sure that you feel safe and good, okay? Now, standing on the opposite leg, foot flexes behind, that just kind of activates some of those ankle muscles, gets everything feeling safe. Now here's the key. Push your shin into the chair as if you're straightening your leg. If you don't do that and you just start yanking on your foot or sitting back to stretch the quads, if there's any protection that's going on around the knee, which there will be if you've just had injury or surgery, by engaging those quads, you'll actually stretch deeper and the body won't reflexively contract to try to protect it, okay? So here we're gonna go. Push the shin into the chair. Take a deep breath. So you're engaging those quads. Now you start to sit back. If you only go this far, that's fine. Maybe you can sit all the way back. Okay, you're gonna just keep sitting back and coming up and sitting back and coming up. But here's the difference. I'm pushing my shin into the chair. So I'm engaging those quads. So this is post-op, post-knee surgery, post-knee injury way to get those quads stretched without causing the muscles to contract and kind of freak out. So that's version 1. Now version 2, you're going to use that chair and you're going to turn it around so that you can use the back of it. Version 2, you can catch the foot. Now, I know everybody knows about this. You think you know this stretch, but I'm going to show you a very different way to doing it. This is a very different way, okay? So you stand there, knees are kind of near each other. Now you're going to push that foot into the hand. But the hand wins, a little tug of war going on. The hand wins and the heel comes back to the bum. Now from here, to get that last quad stretch, the one that's also a hip flexor, keeping your chest lifted, you're going to lift the knee up and back. But don't lose that push back in the hand. That is so important so the muscles aren't reflexively contracting to protect the joint. Okay, so I'm pushing back. Heel still comes to the bum. Have that resistance. Lift the knee, lift the chest. One more breath. And release. Just for fun, I'd like you to try it on the other side. If you just pull, there's going to be some resistance. But if you push back and then pull, you'll get a much better and safer stretch for your quads and for your knees. So I hope this was helpful. I just wanted to hop on here and give you this quick little video, how to safely stretch the quads. Cat Matlock here at FreeBody. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if this kind of made a light go off in your head and this was helpful. Thanks for being here. Take care.